Hi everyone, YouTube. Took the overnight ferry from Dublin into Wales, tramping on this time, trying to get to Norway, see how we get on. Had to do a bit of a pushing, so not much video, won't bore you with lots of pictures of roads. Although we did spot on the way the new car in England for Brexit, the only car allowed available on the roads after the 31st. Looks pretty impressive, good turn of speed, you could hardly keep up with it. But doesn't look like it's going to have much room on board. So off we go. So first campsite, rocked up in a great spot in England. Totally lashed with rain, so we just had to stick with the movie, get some nice soft tortilla with chili. Dogs had a great run around. It was a great campsite for dogs. Definitely recommend it for dogs. Link in the description. So up the motorways, heading towards our friends. We're going to meet up with them in Eppie. They're camping as well. Had a quick overnight stop in one of the great service stations with showers, etc. Then back on the roads, off the motorways, and down through the countryside. Just this next clip here, if you're up in the Netherlands near Eppie and all, they have lots of these lovely little fences which they don't have any signs on, or very rarely have signs on, and they're electric, so watch your pets.
Is this a film or is this a film?
Are you telling me you built a time machine? Kind of a DeLorean?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style?
Germany. A very, very good camp for only €15. Ferries booked for tomorrow from Denmark to Norway. Doggy's ready for a walk. This campsite in Germany also had a lot of cabins, but really, really nice ones on the lake. Looked fantastic at night. They had different types, like triangular shaped ones and ordinary log ones, but overlooking a lovely lake. There's a lot of grounds to walk around. Had a dog park across the road, which we didn't get a chance to use. Lots of horse riding and very outdoorsy and very welcoming place, very friendly in Germany. One of these things come up here. Looks like something I might fancy putting into my garden. This here looks very nice. Might try to build one of those.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living, but we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I could push it back down if I have to, if you want me to, 'cause we can run. And we can run. The stars that fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run? If we run.